When I move, you move. Just like that. Y'all ever say something and then oh, let me get back to what I was saying. Jesus Christ, when I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Yeah, I know about all that. Okay, let's go. A lot of us are willing to take whatever sometimes, as long as we can actually say that we're working for ourselves, or let's just say calling it a business. But this right here, working for signing services, it is not a business. If you are working for these people and you are allowing them to throw you stuff, throw you a bone here or there, and you got to move when they say move. When I move, you move. Just like that. Y'all ever say something and then oh, let me get back to what I was saying. Jesus Christ, when I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Yeah, I know about all that. Okay, let's go. Okay, you are working for these companies, okay, to get a job done at a particular time. Oh, so that is not a business, okay? That's their business. You may not have to get up before dawn in the morning and jump in your car and be all up mixed up in traffic trying to get to work, but it's still a job. It is a job. If you have no control over anything other than whether you're going to say yes or no to a job, and then if you say yes, from that point on, you running around like a chicken with your head cut off. If you running like a chicken with your head cut off, it is not a business, okay? So let me tell you what a business is. I'm going to tell you real quick so that you can know that once you sign up to go direct, then you're going to be in control, okay? You control all the flexibility and all the hours. And all of that jumping around like what we doing with this is not owning a business. This is a job. You make the rules because you have the power to decide what's going to go on in your workplace or in your business. And whether it's at your home or whether you don't open up a spot, it doesn't matter. When you make the choices, you have all the power. You are in control, okay? And if you don't like something, then somebody has to do what? They got to pivot to make things man to what you want it to be. And if you are not doing those things, you are not an owner, but an employee. And it doesn't matter if it's for a company or if it's for the state. Hence, Notary loan signing. You guys know what to do. Hit that like button, huh? You guys better subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you've subscribed, you already know. You know I got your back. You know I'm here for you. Whenever you need me, all you gotta do is call. What? Call me if you need someone to talk to. Call me. Satisfaction guaranteed. Call you, girl. Turn on that notification. Huh? You don't want to miss what I got coming next. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel.